welcome to the channel, and today we're going to do another dope video, and today we're going to be reacting to some distracts. Okay guys, we're going to be reacting to some distracts. Don't forget to check out my, you guys know, don't forget to, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay guys, please, it will show a lot of love to me. Okay, I'm gonna say it to you. Make fake Spider-Man. Really wanna watch that, so I'll watch that later. Okay guys, we're gonna be listening to distracts. Maybe we'll go with mess yourself distracts. And comment down below if you guys can. If you guys want me to what is it called? Distract. Okay guys? Stop it. You know I'm recording, you know that. I'm recording. Sorry guys, my brother can be a bit irritating, but okay, let's do it.
Yo! Now why is your boy Mesh Yourself doing a diss track? He ain't got no business doing a diss track. Well, I'm trying to stay relevant. Your boy needs some easy views, recommendations, okay? Ad revenue's low. Alright, let's hit it, let's go.
Wait, isn't that expensive for PS4 and a brand new TV?
Yeah.
Well, shit, the YouTube game sure has changed. From nerds with webcams to kids chasing fame. We've now got 12-year-olds dropping out of school just cause they watched a simple tutorial. Don't matter if they hate.
I'm not gonna drop out of school, okay? I'm gonna continue with school and do videos.
If you're great, if you're straight, fake ain't. It's all about if you can goddamn clickbait. Guys think they famous because they have a following with exactly zero talent. What the hell are they even offering? I'll tell you what, absolutely goddamn nothing. They just got lucky, hoping nothing led to something. The only time they care is when they're being paid. They don't see you as a fan, you're a number on their song.
No, I see you guys as my fan, okay guys?
So these diss tracks, plain and simple, are just a trend. In the hopes that YouTube will put my video on recommend. I'm using your names just for some easy views. This is an alert for drama. This shit's going on the news.
That's an expensive PC.
That's right. Make yourselves going in on everybody. Alright, 10,000 likes and I'll upload the second verse, baby. No? Alright, I'll just do it right now. What's the first thing a kid would do if he got a lot of money? That's right, buy a fancy car. It's not even funny.
Oh my god, guys, look, I bought a new car. Thank you guys so much, we've come so far.
That's not a new car.
Take that thank you and shove it up your ass. We see right through you, bitch. You're all made of glass. Going in for the kill like we some predators. These guys don't work hard. Leave that shit for their editor.
I don't have editors, guys, okay? I edit for myself.
Is this what our kids are aspiring to be? Talking in front of a camera instead of chasing a degree? Well, good luck to all the kids chasing their dreams. I wouldn't recommend it. It ain't all fancy as it seems.
That's so expensive. Next time we are going to destroy stuff, just give it to me, okay? Mess yourself, please. I could really use a PS4, a PC, and TV. Okay, mess yourself. But why is he just taking one piece of it and going?
Shout out to all the shitty tees out there. You guys know who you are. Yeah, sucking titties since 1995, baby. First diss track, hopefully not the last.
Okay, next it's gonna be a surprise. Okay, I'm going to. Yeah.
I don't like your T-Series.
No,
Nothing personal, kid.
he's cute.
But I must go all out.
Okay.
Just this once. Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Set the fuck down, T-Series. I'm here to spill the real tea. You tryna dethrone me from spot on number one?
I'm still learning how to sing, so there might be a distract coming soon, not now.
But you India, you lose, so best think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely fucking done. Cause we only just begun. I review you, 0 vibe is gone. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna.
I love PewDiePie so much. You guys should go to his channel. And if you guys have a phone, like I have it here, I don't know how to edit that good because I'm still learning. Take your phone like this, put it upside down. If it's red or gray, if it's red, click it and make it gray. That will really make my day and his day.
Bitch lasagna.
And Mr. Self today.
Yeah, look at T-Series.
Subscribe to Mr. Self too.
They're just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series just whip himself in their pajamas. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? Ew. I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. Oof. You got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I got 90 rolls the world's a whole your defecation. Oops, multipatlo, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it come from a mumble rap community. No papa, yes papa, Johnny. Now down all of the sugar and let's throw this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna.
He looks like Mysterio from Spider-Man Far From Home.
T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just wet in their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can't seem to hit even a million. But
What? I do not understand. And the next one we are gonna.
What's up, little sis?
My sister is very annoying. When the only time I get peace is when HPL or I go to school. There's only 2 things I wanted to say.
I've had it with your little pranks. I'm your older brother. It's time to get back at you. Try and top this. I'm about to roast my sister, it's a bang, bang, bang. Gonna show her why her brother runs the game. She don't wanna follow, but I'm in the lead. TikTok queen, but she looking at the king. I'm about to roast my sister, it's a bang, bang, bang. Hold up, sis, take a seat. Better pay close attention when I'm on this beat, cause I always drop fire and your content's weak. Only reason you're on YouTube is cause of me. You stay on everybody's nerves. Yeah, I'm sorry, but the truth just hurts. I know mom and dad say they love you, but I am above you cause I was born first. And you're always
I was born second.
crushing all my friends. Did you think I didn't notice how you look at Ben? Ship SS Bexley, sailing out soon, but I'll shut it all down when I get out the broom. Face it, I'm there. Lexi Rivera, face it, I'm better. Lexi Rivera,
That car looks nice over there.
face it, I'm better. Lexi
I think the car on that side is Audi.
Rivera, face it, I'm better.
What?
To roast my sister, it's a bang,
What is this places?
bang, bang. Gonna show her why her brother runs the game. She don't wanna follow, but I'm in the lead. TikTok queen, but she looking at the king. I'm about to roast my sister, it's a bang, bang, bang. Now you're saying I'm a TikTok queen when you know you're not as good as Queen Charlie. Take 100 selfies and never post a thing. Playing your dances but never really get them clean. Since we were little, I've been the man. Look at the numbers on Instagram. I hold your future in the palm of my hands, and I'll leave you destroyed when we play Candyland. Yeah, sometimes I remake your posts. Everyone says that they love mine the most. Like the one when I put on your dress. Even mom had to say that I pulled it off fast. You must have been born on the freeway I-10, cause that's where most accidents happen. You make mom cry, but I make her smile. It's no secret that I'm a favorite child. I'm better. Lexi Rivera, face it, I'm better. Lexi Rivera, face it, I'm better. Lexi Rivera, face it, I'm better. Hopefully I wasn't too harsh, sis, but see if you can do better than that.
Oh my god. Alright. Okay guys, I think I want to listen to a song. Let's listen to this song. Then we can go to Mog's Distract.
Dude, my crush doesn't even know I exist.
Have you tried talking to her?
Yeah, she can't even remember my name.
Is that music?
There's gonna be a music video. You just have to wait. Here it comes.
Thank you, Brent.
Thought she could be the one, but I don't like brunettes. Then she dyed her hair blonde, and now I'm obsessed. So I looked in the phone book, and I sent her a text. She said, who the heck is this? I told her it's Brent. One time I saw her, it was the morning. I swear she got hotter. Yeah, she looked amazing. I opened the door, it was really heavy, and then she
Is it even heavy? Looks like a normal door.
walked inside. She looked right at me, and then she told me, thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Ted.
Wait, what?
Thank you, Fred. I wish she knew that my name was Brent. Thank you, Ned.
No.
Thank you, Steph.
It's Brent.
Thank you, Fred. I wish she knew. I just don't understand. My name is pretty easy. I know you know who I am. Wait, why don't you know who I am? All of my crushes don't like me back, but this one gon' last. Cause my name is Brent, and I wish she knew that. One time I saw her drinking a Slurpee. Then she tried to open a bag of beef jerky, but she couldn't do it, so I went to help her. I opened the bag up. She put a hand on my shoulder, and then she told me, thank you, Jeff. Thank you.
You guys look ish like she's touching, then she's gonna move forward and kiss.
Wait, what?
Thank you, Fred. I wish she knew that my name was Brent. Thank you, Ned.
No.
Thank you, Steph.
It's Brent.
Thank you, Fred. I wish she knew that my name was Brent. Thank you, Brent. Thank you, Brent. Thank you, Brent. I wish she knew that my name was Brent. Thank you, Brent. Thank you, Brent. Thank you, Brent. I wish she knew that my name was Brent.
Brent. Maybe it's just her way of flirting.
Dude, here she comes.
Wait, this girl?
Hey, Ben.
What's up, Lexi?
Oh, hi. I'm Lexi.
I'm Brent.
Sorry, who?
That's
I wish she knew that my name was Brent. Thank you, Brent. Thank you, Brent.
okay.
Yo, I ain't a rapper, but mom,
Okay, I think this is the last diss track we are watching, and maybe there'll be a part 2.
you made me do this. I don't know what Jill's cooking up in there, but I know it's not better than me. 3 years ago, I made a diss track for mum. Was only joking, was just for fun. But I'm not holding back no more. Gonna shoot you down like a gun. 56 years old, but you look 80. You're not cool, you're an old lady. You're weak and your muscles are achy. Maybe try electrotherapy. You got no money in your pocket. Your face makes me wanna vomit. Call yourself Big Jill the rapper. The only bars you got is chocolate. Old lady thinks she can battle me without glasses, can't even see. This vid is your funeral, and I've got a front row seat. Your bars are weak like styrofoam. You don't even know how to use a phone. You need to put down the mic and head to the retirement home. I made your channel, you know it's true. I'm the only reason that you grew. But after this, your channel's done, and I'll take all the revenue. Age 15, I was richer. Now check the bank, 7 figure. You grow quick, I grow quicker. You're a student, I'm
But his mom is older than him. He can't grow quicker than her.
the teacher. I'm the one pulling the trigger. Don't say mugs, call me mister. You ask for this, don't be bitter. In this battle, I'm the victor.
Well, guys, I think it's clear what Morgan's doing. He's not only doing a rap, he's doing a diss track on me. And this time it sounds like he is not holding back.
What's that? You thought I was done? Dissing you is too much fun. After this, I'll call you Jill, cause you'll no longer be my mum. Shut up, saying that you're the queen, so far.
Isn't that too much? Even not calling him his mom. Maybe it's just a song.
The weighing machine, and your face is so monstrous. Don't need a mask on Halloween. Your kids are a crime. You can't even rhyme. I made your channel, I could kill it any time. To me, you're an afterthought. My bars are fire, baking hot. Here's something that you forgot. You're living in the house that I bought. Drop a like. Subscribe. Comment down below. Who should I diss next? I've been Morgs.
Do a distract on
Been
me.
awesome. Peace out.
Okay, he has 5,435 for 400,000. I don't want to read. 79. Dang. Okay, let's not do that anymore. And don't forget to like and subscribe the video, guys. And that is it for today. And hope you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.